yan. Ay, sorry, may Bisaya. Okay, go!
Juicy!
Mabuhay!
Hi, I'm Vinnie Colette and siguro wolf na lang.
Wolf, because?
Yun yung emoji ko sa Vinnie. Hi everyone, I'm Mika and I will choose a bird so I can fly.
Oh! But all of you are flying na. Oh, di ba? Nag-fly naman talaga ng bongga ang Vinnie.
Hi, I'm Maloy, and if I would be an animal, I want to be a butanding.
Ay, ko naman, Maloy! Dahan-dahan naman tayo.
I want to be a whale so I can swim.
Sakit naman.
Hi, I'm Joanna and sisiu. Para sisiu kitin mga.
Nagpa-andar!
Hi guys, I'm Sheena and if I were to be an animal, I would be I would like to be a rabbit. Thank you.
Bakit daw? Bakit rabbit?
Why not?
Hey!
Hi everyone, I'm Gwen. If I were to be an animal, I would be koala because I'm clingy. And yun yung emoji ko sa...
Hi everyone, I'm Aya and if I were an animal, it would be a dog because most dogs love adventures and I love adventures. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Vinnie Stacy. If I were to be an animal, I would like to be a quokka kasi they're the happiest animal on earth. Quokka. Search it now so you know.
Ay, hindi ko rin alam yun. Pero thank you, girls. Paupuin na muna natin yung girls.
And we are Vinnie.
Thank you. Ayan,